Gardening in December in Tasmania is fantastic. We have vegetables and fruit, and it's warm and the days are longer. It's just great. Here are some tips to keep your garden in shape this month in Tassie. In December, it's all about colour and edibles for the table. Poinsettias are in store. They're looking great, ready for your Christmas gifts and your centrepiece for your Christmas table. Keep them indoors in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of indirect light. Only water when the plant is dry. Prune back after flowering and plant in a bigger pot, so it will flower again during the winter. Summer's a great time to be planting some more summer colour like alyssum. Alyssum, lobelia and marigolds, there's a great range in store. Keep the water up to them and they'll reward with beautiful colourful flowers. And December is a great time for planting some citrus and olives. It's also the best time to get some more edibles in to keep your family stocked up for the summer. Plant some herbs for continual summer picking. Plant beans, capsicums, as well as leeks and lettuce to keep your summer salad supply up. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants except for seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy with your plant, return it with a receipt and we'll refund it. This is what you can be harvesting in December in Tasmania. Cucumbers, chilies, potatoes, beans, beautiful blueberries, broccoli and kale. Here's a list of things that you can do in the garden in December. Keep up with the pruning. Remove spent flowers and dead wood to keep plants tidy and promote new growth. Plants are growing, so they need fertilising. Use a complete fertiliser on veggies. Watering is really important this time of the year. Check irrigation systems are in good working order. Always check and stick to the water regulations in your area. Get into good watering habits, water in the morning and water for longer periods to encourage deep roots. A good tip for growing good lawn is to raise the mower height. Longer grass means cooler soil at root level. It's summer, the days are long and beautiful, so get out into the garden. And of course, if you need any extra help, come into our local Bunnings store. Click here for more garden advice. Click here to go back to the website.